This is tutorial number 38 and it covers optical properties within Solidworks. To start off, let's open up the TV remote, which I've included on the DVD. Now with the TV remote, you can see that the body is solid and that the infrared light is transparent. You can see through it to a degree. Now let's open up the infrared light. So let's right click on it and click Open Part. And now we've opened just the infrared light of the part. Now we can look at the properties, the optical properties of this part by clicking Edit Color and select the light. And when we scroll down, we can see all the optical properties of this part. Now the main one to make this look transparent is the transparency part. Now if we make it 0, it's a solid. If we make it 1, it's completely see-through. So let's make this 0 and click Accept. And now the part is not transparent anymore, it's solid. And if we flip back to the assembly, we can see that it's changed in there too, and that instead of being transparent, the light's solid. Now let's flip back to the part, and let's edit the transparency again. And let's put it back to 0.61 and click Accept. And now when we flip back, it's transparent again. And this concludes our tutorial on optical properties within Solidworks.